Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be teaching you how to change viewing permissions on the old and new Google Sites. First off, we'll do the new ones. So first you want to create your own site, or if you have one already, and then you're going to want to go to the top right, to this little guy on the plus sign. You're going to want to press on the little guy, and this pop-up will come up. So it says who can access. So specific people can edit. This will allow people to edit if they would like. So you can edit if you want. You can have people edit public. So you can have anyone edit. You could also have it with anyone who has the link can edit. You can also have it to where it's only specific people that you want can edit the site. You're going to want to press save on whatever you want to choose. Then you're going to want to view. You want it to where you can only specific people can view it, or do you want to be able to have anyone in the world view it? Your choice here. And then you can, and then there's this where you can have invite specific people. So this comes with this. Specific people can edit it. So you can just type in their email or their name and just do it. Just that way they can edit the website. You can notify people if you don't want to notify them. You don't have to. You can also send a copy of the link to yourself if you would like. And that is how you do it on the Google Sites. You want to press send. Make sure. The only reason that it's not allowing me to send is because I don't have somebody in this bar, this address bar. So you just want to press cancel. And then you're going to want to press done. Okay? Now we're going to do it on the old sites. So for this one, you're going to want to go to top right where it says more actions, or you can also press M, which will bring it up as well. You can also just press it. Now you're going to want to do sharing and permissions. The little plus in the guy again. Sharing and permissions. This will bring you to a whole new site where you can change who can view it. Anyone in the world, anyone with a link, and if you want it just specific people, that's fine as well. Okay, and then you have yourself, which is me, and then you also have the people that can edit the website. Send it to anyone you would like. You can notify them again and send a copy to yourself again. And then for me, I can't press send, but you would press send if you are sending it to somebody. But for me, I'm just going to press cancel because I'm not sending it to anyone. And that is how you change your viewing permissions on the Google Sites, new and old. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.